Hello, in this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to properly clean your ankle braces. Keeping your ankle braces clean ensures hygiene, comfort, and durability. Let's get started. First, gather everything you need: a basin, mild detergent, a soft bristle brush, and clean water. Shake off any loose dirt or grease from the ankle braces before washing. Mix a small amount of mild detergent with water in the basin, submerge the ankle braces, and let them soak for 10 minutes. Use the soft bristle brush to gently scrub the braces, focusing on stained areas. Rinse the ankle braces thoroughly under running water to remove all soap. Gently squeeze out excess water without twisting or wringing the braces. Lay the ankle braces flat on a clean towel and let them air dry in a well-ventilated area. And that's it. Your ankle braces are now clean and ready to use. Remember to clean them regularly to keep them fresh and comfortable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.